Alright, so a quick update. We pulled both axles out. We pulled also the axle stub on the driver's side. So dismounted all that. Took the back mount off. So all is left, should be at least, is just pop the transfer case out and just lift the engine out of the way. All the wiring, I disconnected it from the car, so everything should come out with the engine and transmission. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Take the mounts off. What else did we take out? The bracket and the mount from the transmission. Put the head back on just so I could get the hook here. Mounted this side on this bolt right here. So now we're just gonna kind of tilt it, lift it up, and out it goes. Just gotta move a lot of stuff out the way, make sure nothing gets caught while it comes out. So, all right.
Everything over here is fine.
Alright, so we should be good. I don't see nothing else. So. Yes, it's good.
I need to figure out where the fuck we're gonna put this thing at.
I'll put it inside somewhere.
No, but we gotta figure out how we're gonna.
Oh, either that or we're gonna have to Alright, so the engine's out right now.
Kevin just practicing for his car.
Hell no, that shit not about to happen to my car. The engine's out right now.
If it ever does.
And transmission. About to bring it inside. Start ordering some parts. So the engine is on this little dolly for now. We're just gonna take the turbo off since it's already, outside the car. It's real easy. A couple more bolts should come out. Just do a walk around so you guys can see. Alright, so we have the old turbo right here. What size is this?
The stock one is, what, 56 millimeter?
56 right here. And then what size is the new one you're getting?
One is 82 millimeter.
82. Look at that. You can see it right there. Spoolie.